I don't know. I don't even know how I'm gonna start this video off, y'all. Like, so much I need to just reveal and tell you guys. So much is just on my heart. And honestly, I didn't think that YouTube would be the right platform for me to bring it out. Excuse me. But then I thought about it and I was like, well, YouTube is the right platform for me to bring it out, because YouTube is where it all began. Like, y'all, when I tell you, my mind is like everywhere. Y'all ready for this? Just keep watching. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ashley Bri. I'm back with another video. Now that I got y'all attention, like, y'all messy. Y'all was looking for that tea. I already know. Now that I got y'all attention, let's get this video started. Tell y'all, I've been trying to do some TikToks. Go follow the Hillside family on TikTok right now, y'all. Like, I be trying. Bear with me, but your girl be trying. This video right here about to put y'all on. I know y'all already seen that beautiful title. I know y'all already seen that beautiful thumbnail. I don't even think that's how it goes. How many of y'all watch Nick and King? King always like, I know you already read that title. I know you already seen that beautiful thumbnail. I'm about to put y'all on game. About to tell y'all everything you need to do to have a successful YouTube channel. Y'all, like, go ahead and start that channel right now. What are you waiting on? Start it right now. Y'all see how I started on this video? I caught y'all attention, didn't I? I did. Because you thought you were about to hear something that was juicy. You thought you was about to hear something that was juicy. But not today, sis. Not today. I got something else better for you. I know y'all been thinking, like, why do I need to start a YouTube channel? Let me show you why. Take a look. That is why you need to start a YouTube channel. Right there. The proof is in the pudding. First of all, why is this white stuff on my head? Oh, disregard that. Disregard that. Disclaimer. That's not my check stuff. I'm sorry. Y'all, I had to manifest. Like, I had to, like, put it in this video because that's the kind of money I'm looking to make. And I know y'all looking to make that kind of money too. And in order for us, to get there, we got to do these tips more often, be consistent, and just run with it. And I promise you we'll grow. All right. For real. Tip number 1 to grow your YouTube channel and why you need to start it right now. It's a pandemic. Everybody's at home. People are not at work. And if they are working from home, they got their phone right there propped up beside their computer, and they on YouTube searching stuff, social media. And guess what? You need to be in the know. Reason number 2. Y'all saw the little screenshot. You make money. This could be your job. It could be your job. I'm trying to make YouTube my job. And because you guys are watching this video, you're helping me. So guess what? Do it yourself. Be like me. Start a YouTube channel so you can make some money. I bet you still contemplating. First of all, those first 2 reasons right there should make you want to start. But I got a reason number 3 for you. Reason number 3. People want to see what you do every day. People nosy. People want to know what you know. People want to know what you do, how you do it, when you do it, while you do it. So record it. Show them. Give them what they're looking for. I'm pretty sure people like wondering, like, why is Ashley doing YouTube? Like, her life is boring. She don't do nothing but this, and she don't do nothing but that. She don't go nowhere but here. But guess what? You watching me? I'm thankful for y'all though. Like, do it too. Like, don't just let me do it by myself. Put out your own content, y'all. Just do it. It's easy. You need to start YouTube because YouTube is ready for you. YouTube has everything that you're looking for in life. Y'all, look at all these everyday people that have went viral, blowed up, just as big as they want to be, and they got it just from doing this, from recording themselves, doing things that catches people's eyes, doing things that keeps their attention. Like y'all already saw, I started this video off crying, right? Everybody, I bet y'all was glued in. And now y'all disappointed at me because I ain't give y'all no tea. That's all the thumbnails are there doing. All these videos are like, I pranked this, I pranked that. Y'all know good time where them pranks ain't for real. They probably rehearsed them pranks. But you watch them. Why? Because the thumbnail was interesting. You're watching this video still right now because my intro was interesting. I caught your attention. It works, people. It works. Y'all really got on this camera looking a fool. I did it for y'all. Y'all, why? Y'all, why? Whoa, how you do the whoa? Whoa. Whoa, what's up, you guys? It's Ashley Bri. What's up, you guys? It's Ashley Bri. What's up, you guys? It's Ashley Bri. Hey, 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 hey. What's I ain't putting all this in this video. I'm not putting all this in this video. I'm just enjoying myself standing in front of this ring light. I'm not gonna put all this in this video. Hopefully I don't forget, because if I forget, then that means y'all watching me right now. Oh, what if I forget? I ain't gonna forget. I'm gonna do some. I ain't gonna forget. How to make money on YouTube. My video popped up! Okay, so we all know that you can earn money from YouTube just by getting a lot of views. Of course, views mean money when it comes to YouTube. But when you first starting off, it may be hard to get your views up. So you do want to think of a second way to make some money. And that's going to be with affiliate marketing. Like, I'm still call myself very new to YouTube. I've only been putting out content for 2 years now. But you guys, I've had companies reach out to me, send me items, send me things to talk about in my video, and I get it for free. So that's like the first step into blowing up on YouTube, I guess. Or you're being able to get you're getting products that you didn't pay for, so it's free products. And I think I've had about 7 or 8 companies already reach out to me to offer me their product to just try out and then give my opinion on it. So you can make money off that way by being able to save money on products that you can use on a daily. Also with affiliate marketing, especially like with Amazon and things like that, and I personally need to do this myself because I shop on Amazon so much. I have plenty products that I can recommend to you guys from Amazon, is to set up affiliate marketing with Amazon. You guys already know, if you see like links at the bottom of a lot of YouTubers videos and you click on them, well, if you buy that particular product through that link, then that person gets money. So not only are you making money from the ads that can go on your videos, you're making money from people actually clicking on the link in your description box. So affiliate marketing is the second way to make money on YouTube. So views number 1, affiliate marketing number 2. Let's go to number 3. Kind of to piggyback off of reason number 2. Number 3 has to definitely be brand deals. If you have a large following, or not even a large following, if you just have a lot of engagement, brands will reach out to you to promote their product. So that kind of goes back with what I said when I mentioned about affiliate marketing. They'll send you their product, they want you to show it, they want you to try it on, they want you to influence the people that watch you to go buy their stuff. Brand deals, another way to build that check. But you won't ever get there if you don't ever start your channel. So don't say I ain't tell you. Don't say I ain't tell you. Hey, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I know I did not give you all the tips in this video. That's because I'm doing a part 2. So if you want to see the part 2 of the stuff that's really going to get you some money, then definitely hit the subscribe button. You're going to see part 2 really soon on my channel. But I thank you guys for watching, and click that subscribe button. Click that like button. Y'all, ride this wave. Ride the 2021 wave that started with COVID. Ride it. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.